An old winery in General Alvear, Mendoza, originally built in 1924 and once used by the Hidalgo family, was abandoned in the late 1970s and gradually fell into ruin. After nearly 4 decades, in 2015, a descendant of the family bought the property and decided to transform it into an atelier, a personal museum, and an exhibition space. The restoration project had 2 main goals. The first was to preserve the original identity and character of the building. Instead of making drastic changes, the architect used a careful approach called architectural acupuncture, which means making small, precise interventions to fix structural problems while keeping the original form and spirit of the place. One of the key design decisions was the new roof, which was built as an independent structure. This allowed the old and new parts to exist together without affecting each other. The materials and finishes were also chosen to clearly show the difference between the original building and the new additions, helping maintain the authenticity of the architecture. Inside, openings were carefully created to connect the corridor with the old wine tanks, inviting visitors into spaces that were once hidden. These tanks still carry the faint smell of wine, creating a unique multi-sensory experience where art and scent come together. Openings at the top of the tanks were turned into skylights, allowing natural light to enter and change throughout the day, adding movement and atmosphere to the space. Another interesting aspect is that the design process did not follow a traditional plan. Instead, it developed at the same time as the construction, allowing the architect to observe how light and space changed during the day and adjust the design accordingly. Overall, this project shows how architecture can bring new life to an old building, preserving its history while creating new cultural and artistic experiences in a respectful and thoughtful way.